In Sweden, there are several part-time job opportunities available across various industries. Many part-time roles are flexible and cater to both students and individuals looking for work-life balance. Here are some common part-time job options in Sweden. 1. Retail and sales assistant. Industry, retail, which includes clothing, electronics, and supermarkets. Retail stores often hire part-time workers for cashier roles, customer service, and stocking shelves. Typical hours are evenings and weekends. 2. Waiter or waitress or barista. Industry, hospitality, which includes cafes, restaurants, and bars. Part-time roles are available in restaurants, cafes, and bars, where employees serve food, beverages, or work as cashiers. Typical hours are flexible, often evenings, weekends, and holidays. 3. Delivery driver or courier. Industry, logistics, and e-commerce, which includes food delivery and package courier services. With the rise of e-commerce and food delivery services, part-time jobs are available for drivers or bike couriers working for platforms like Uber Eats, Volt, or PostNord. Typical hours are flexible, depending on demand. Cleaner or janitor. In the cleaning services industry, part-time cleaners are needed in offices, hotels, or residential properties. Typical hours are often early mornings or evenings. Customer service representative. Many companies in call centers, retail, and e-commerce hire part-time employees to handle customer queries via phone, chat, or email. Shifts can include evenings and weekends. Tutoring or language instructor. In the education industry, tutors in subjects like math, science, and English, or Swedish language instructors for immigrants can find part-time work through schools or private tutoring platforms. The typical hours are flexible, often after school or during weekends. Warehouse worker. The logistics industry offers numerous part-time positions. E-commerce warehouses in particular are always on the lookout for part-time workers who can help with packaging, shipping, and receiving goods. These roles usually involve working shifts, often in the evenings or on weekends. Freelance work including fields like graphic design writing and programming. The creative and tech industries provide ample opportunities for freelancers to work part-time. Many freelancers take on projects for clients or through platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. The hours are quite flexible, depending largely on project deadlines. Babysitter or nanny. Industry childcare. Many families in Sweden hire part-time babysitters or nannies to care for children during the afternoons or weekends. Typical hours are primarily afternoons, evenings, and weekends. Event staff, such as for concerts, festivals, and conferences. Industry events and entertainment. Temporary or part-time event staff are hired for roles like ticket sales, security, or hospitality at concerts, conferences, or festivals. Typical hours are mainly weekends or evenings, depending on events. Tips for finding part-time jobs in Sweden. Job portals. Websites like Indeed, jobsbt.com, Metrojob, or Job Safari frequently list part-time positions. Networking. Use LinkedIn or personal contacts. University boards. For students, university job boards often post part-time opportunities. Gig platforms. Gigstar and TaskRunner are popular for short-term part-time gigs. Additionally, part-time work in Sweden often comes with strong labor protections, including fair pay and regulated working hours. However, knowing basic Swedish can be an advantage in securing many of these roles.